city with bright lights and flowers, the buildings reaching up to the clouds. There is a lovely round fat fox living peacefully among the chaos. Talented, kind, everyone knows, CEO of the whole forest. But behind the eyes that are always bright is a vibe. The stars are, the fox said, I have everything, but my heart is still lonely. Then one day, fate arranged for the fox to meet the right person to love. Oh, see your fat fox wedding, golden lanterns hung everywhere. The whole forest cheered with joy and blessings. Many smiles turned into heavenly songs. The round suit followed the fox's body, the heart fluttered with many dreams. The day the fox met that love, the old dream suddenly became poetic. She is the gentle and beautiful flower fox. Her laughter is like the ringing wind chimes, gently passing through the life of fat fox, bringing with her the warm, clear sunshine. Every night they walk together forever, telling happy stories, telling sad stories. The fox said, you are the most precious thing, more than all the riches I have. The whole forest whispered, this couple is so beautiful. Even the rivals in the business world come to celebrate together, not alone. Oh, fat fox CEO's wedding, red roses bloom all over the path. The squirrels in the sky chirp, singing a song to wish you to. The ring shines like 1,000 little